Multiply 3,366 by 30 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 0. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The first partial product is 0. Now use the tens digit, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 6 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 6 plus the carried 1 is 19. Put 9 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 3 plus the carried 1 is 10. The second partial product is 100,980. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 0 plus 8 is 8. In the hundreds column, 0 plus 9 is 9. In the thousands column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the 10,000s column, bring down 0. In the 100,000s column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 100,980. So 3,366 times 30 is 100,980.